Hi and welcome to this Excel video tutorial. Let me show you two easy methods you can use to remove duplicate values or records in your Excel data. So the data set that we are going to use is a student list that captures the student's name, their age, the classes, and also the village. So we want to find out whether in this table there are duplicates so that we can get rid of them. Something to consider though before we start is sometimes you may need to maintain your original data set, and if that is the case, then you need to duplicate this record. I'll go ahead and copy this list and paste it over here. Then after doing that, I'll go ahead and highlight everything including the column headers. Then on my ribbon, I click on data, and then under the data group of tools, there's this little icon over here which says remove duplicates. Click once and there you go. This dialog box opens. And if your dataset has column headers like it is for mine, make sure that you keep this checkbox marked, and then you can go ahead and click OK. And there you go. Excel tells us 5 duplicate values were found and removed. It's only 12 unique values that have remained in this table. Go ahead and click OK. Then you can now go on and do your comparison. So the second method that I'm going to show you, the formula way, is only available in the Office 365 or the online Excel for the web. So what you have to do is to come over here and say equals unique, open brackets, give the array, which is this table over here, close brackets, hit enter key on your keyboard, and there you go. All your records will be extracted automatically. So the advantage of using a formula is that if you get new records in your original data set over here, it will automatically update in your new unique records. So assuming I get a new record over here, you can see that it automatically appears over here. However, in our first example where we use the remove duplicate feature, you will have to repeat the process in case new data arrives in your original data set. So those are the two simple methods that I wanted to show you in this video. However, there is a more advanced method that uses the Power Query, and if you're interested, watch the video that is showing on your screen right now, and hope to see you in that video.